Welcome back to channel YUMM. So let's start. Today I will be making my favorite dessert, which are cookies. These will be white chocolate chip cookies with roasted pecan. So let's start with butter and sugar. As you can see, I am mixing them first. I don't want to overmix because sometimes it just becomes way too flat, and we don't want that. We want them fluffy. Next, we will be adding 1 egg and mix that in as well. Be careful not to overmix because we will be just stopping and mixing over and over. Next, we have flour, which we obviously need to add. And we are mixing again. Now, as you can see, I will be adding vanilla, but what I should have really added was the leaveners, which is baking soda, baking powder. I mixed them up. Now I will be switching from the mixer to the spatula to mix in the nuts and the white chocolate chips, which are delicious. Roasting the pecans is the best flavor. It'll be giving the cookies such a good flavor. Just trust me on this one. Now we will be shaping the cookies. You can use whatever size scoop you would like. I like them chunky and big. It's just more fun that way. And let's not forget to preheat the oven to 350 so the oven is hot and ready to cook them. Okay, so after about 13 minutes or so, they should be golden brown, and keep checking on them after 10. It's ready to be eaten. If you enjoyed this video, put a thumbs up and subscribe for more recipes.